Hello everyone. Again we are back with a new video on a new topic UTI Flexicap Fund. Well, it is not at all new to few of you. Before starting with Flexicap Fund, let's start with some elementary things to be done. SEBI released a circular on asset allocation of multi-cap funds dated 11 September 2020. As per the circular, minimum investment in equity and equity related investments or 75% of total assets needed to be segregated in large, mid and small cap. Thus assets are put in 25% of large cap, 25% of mid cap and 25% of small cap. This rule was for multi cap fund allocation, but the aim of investing in multi-cap funds was not meeting the targets. In multi-cap, there were no such restrictions on fund allocation. SEBI again released a circular on November 6, 2020. Under equity schemes, Flexi Cap Fund was introduced. As per this circular, there were no such restrictions on allocation of funds in small or mid or large cap. Investors as well as fund managers also got a relief. Phew, isn't it? Now, coming back to the flexi cap, minimum 65% of total assets needed to be allocated in equity funds and can be invested across large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks. Well, a lot of details, right? Now, let's start with UTI Flexicap Fund. Some of you might be thinking, what is UTI Flexicap Fund? Why UTI Flexicap Fund? Am I eligible for investing in this fund? Well, before answering all these questions, please subscribe to this channel and get more information about the present money market. UTI FlexiCap Fund is an open ended dynamic equity scheme investing across large or mid or small cap stocks. FlexiCap Fund has 98% investment in Indian stocks, of which around 8% is in small cap, 43% is in large cap, and 35% is in mid cap. Who can invest in this FlexiCap Fund? If you are in age range of 20 to 40 years, want to begin investing money for at least 3 to 5 years, ready to take high risk for high returns. General information on UTI FlexiCap Fund are given on the screen. One important element that all investors are most bothered about is returns. For assessing the returns in general, 1 or 3 or 5 years of time period is taken. Coming to the returns, as on 1st January 2021, UTI FlexiCap Fund 1-year return 34.3%, 5-year return 19.3%. Allocation by market cap as on 31st December 2020. Now, let's have a look on the SIP details for UTI FlexiCap Fund. Lastly, coming to the investment part, you can invest in lump sum or systematic investment. There are two ways how you can invest in FlexiCap Fund, which are given on the screen. Questions may arise in your mind, where can I invest SIP or lump sum? And can I opt for both SIP and lump sum? Before deciding which investment method to go for, one must understand how much money he can invest. If you want to invest some money at a regular interval, want to start investment in disciplined manner, has little amount to spare every month, want to create separate fund for separate goal, then you must go for SIP. If you just received a bonus from work, have inherited some money recently, have got some money as gift on some occasion, then go for lump sum. Another thing, you can invest in both SIP and lump sum. Then you can keep SIP as your core strategy and invest ample money that you have recently as lump sum. Now, coming to the ultimate question. What are the benefits of this particular FlexiCap fund? First, diversified portfolio, low volatility, good performance in ratio over the years, fund manager with proven track record and years of experience in investment and fund management. Hope we have cleared all your doubts. See you again on our next video, and for more details you can mail us or contact us on the contact details given on the screen. Please contact Uluberia Howrah BDA branch. And lastly, mutual funds investment are subject to market risk. Please read all the scheme related documents carefully before investing. Thank you for watching.